Second prerequisite idea is inside planes. When we're talking about a plane, we're talking about where the poi is spinning, the plane made by the orbit of the poi. Very often, when we're spinning, the plane will be on our outside, right? This is on my outside, this is on my outside. If I bring it over, they're both staying on the outside of me, right? The most common inside plane, the easiest one, the one everyone knows, is the buzzsaw. It's a plane and it's inside a space made by my body, right? So, buzzsaw. I can also use this plane here between my arm and my body as an inside plane. I've got another one over here. I can access those. Ooh, I was just doing them in forward, but you can do them all in reverse too. Reverse buzzsaw up here. You have these planes between your head and your arm. Your head and your arm. And if you time it, you can go, whoa, around your head like that. Then other inside planes, you can go under your leg like this to get in there. You can go around your back like this to get in there. And I'm kind of doing all these in a wheel plane and in same direction. All of this is opposite direction doable. All of these things that we were just demonstrating. That's all doable in opposite and in both timings, But I've been presenting all this stuff kind of in a wheel plane. You can also do it all from the wall. So now I have two inside planes here in front of me. The one between this hand and my other hand. So that's a plane. And then I can take this and put it between my body and my arm. Right? There's a plane and there's a plane. Outside, inside, inside. So you can start putting your circle, your buzzsaw, in different orientations on these inside planes. And getting real familiar with what it's like to spin in between these spaces. Even a 5-beat, the way you would do a 5-beat, you can add this extra beat thing here where it just stays crossed. You can do that on an inside plane, the 1-2 plane I was just demonstrating. So you can go like that. Oops. And same with the butterfly stuff. All that is inside. A lot of stuff with atoms happens inside, somewhere in between, all of this stuff. And even when we're spinning horizontally, there's a lot of inside planes. So that buzzsaw we were just messing with, let's tip it on its side and see what happens. Well, it's an inside plane. I can put it on the bottom briefly or on the top briefly, but eventually one of them has to come back to a stable point, right? Both outside, both inside, outside, inside. So now I'm messing with inside planes on this horizontal. Get weird, you can even do like inversion stuff. Mess with everything 5 beats. Well, I guess like parts of 5 beats. But inside planes all around. Get familiar with them. Because this atom, everything's happening inside, right? Most of this bend pattern, everything's happening inside. Still this one too. So inside planes, super fun. It's good just to know them. You could take any move that you already know and just kind of spice it up a little bit by trying to throw an inside plane in there somewhere. The fire gets real close to you if you're a fire spinner. It's just a cool looking concept in general. So have fun exploring that and just know it'll pay off in the way of making atomic spinning much, much easier. And bends, toroid stuff too.